This video is to show you how to replace the door magnets on a Sierra cheese machine. Simply open up the door so we can expose the door magnets. There are two of them, one here and one here. Take a sharp object like a utility knife. It has to be fairly sharp because these little edges are hard to get underneath. What we'll do is we'll get the edge of the putty knife underneath the edge, which is this white piece of this door magnet, and we'll kind of keep working until we start moving it out of the way. Eventually you'll get it to come out similar to that, and then that will be what our door magnet looks like that we're going to be replacing. To replace this and put this back in here, we'll take a new one and we will slide that into this hole. If we have some glue in there, you may have to take a small screwdriver and just kind of scrape some of the glue that might be in there, blow it out, and we will then replace this magnet in the hole. If this hole is cracked or broken, you may need to use a product called E6000 or something similar to the E6000, which is simply just an adhesive like this. We will then put a small dab on here, and then we will push it in the hole and push it tight all the way in. Just using your finger pressure, we should be able to get that all the way in, just like that. And that is how you replace a door magnet on a Sierra machine.